Data centers require uninterrupted power supply. Farming operations cannot tolerate power outages. Construction sites must operate without interruption. The reliability of generator sets stems from dual precision protection, lubrication and antifreeze cooling. Wagna lubricants and antifreeze coolants share the same supply chain as Volkswagen's specialized oils. From raw materials to final product, every drop carries German engineering's precision DNA and rigorous standards. In the invisible microscopic world, Wagna lubricants' exceptional wear resistance reduces cylinder piston friction to nanometer levels. Wagna antifreeze coolant's stable thermal conductivity, even under extreme operating conditions, keeps core components within safe temperature ranges. When Northeast China freezes to 35 degrees below zero, when coastal regions scorch to 42 degrees, Wagna specialized lubricants and coolants deliver dual protection through lubrication and wear resistance plus cooling and antifreeze, achieving a synergistic protective effect. As a rare dual-category brand, Wagna lubrication and antifreeze cooling master extreme challenges with ease, empowers stable operations with full power protection. From freezing, gale-swept wine farms at 2,000 meter to humid, hot coal mines 800 meter down. From non-stop, full-load data centers to life-critical ICU backup with millisecond switches, Wagna lubrication and antifreeze cooling precisely fits every harsh condition, builds all-conditional, all-dimensional protection for core power, enabling generator sets to handle extreme challenges with ease. Wagna has dedicated over 50 years to the generator set industry. Beyond equipment manufacturing, Wagna empowers the industry with power lubrication and antifreeze cooling comprehensive solutions. Choose Wagna lubrication and antifreeze cooling. Enjoy one-stop procurement service for power protection.